To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
India's securities regulator has made it mandatory for asset management companies to have an institutional mechanism to deter market abuse. The mechanism must comprise enhanced surveillance systems, internal control procedures and escalation processes to identify, monitor and address specific types of misconduct, including front-running, insider trading and misuse of sensitive information, the Securities and Exchange Board of India says in a circular on the 2nd of May. The regulator says the decision was made after a board meeting on the 30th of April. Asset management companies are also required to have a whistleblower mechanism, and all communication by dealers and fund managers must be recorded. The exceptions are face-to-face communication, including out-of-office interactions, during market hours. SEBI has also streamlined prudential norms for passive schemes with respect to exposure to securities of a sponsor's group companies. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority plans to replace the term virtual bank with licensed digital bank in reference to the 8 branchless lenders operating in the city to remove negative connotations associated with the term in Chinese. The de facto central bank started a 1-month consultation to collect views on the name change proposal on the 30th of April. The term virtual bank will soon be consigned to history, according to Arthur Yuan Kwok-hang, Deputy CEO of HKMA. Dangers to financial stability posed by the development of artificial intelligence tools are already starting to become a worry, 2 central bank chiefs told a conference on the 8th of May. Asked if there is something bad that could happen that you are preparing for related to the technology, the policymakers from 2 Asian banking hubs each highlighted possible risks that they have identified. It's likely that there will be dominant AI firms, dominant cloud computing firms, that financial institutions are increasingly becoming reliant upon, said Eddie Yu, Chief Executive Officer of the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. If they have a failure, then there could be systemic risks, at least systemic operational risks. For me, the main risk is AI in the wrong hands, and apart from scams and fraud, I would add cyber attacks as a key area of concern, said Monetary Authority of Singapore Managing Director Kia Der-Jun. AI has the potential to turbocharge these capabilities for cyber attacks and to democratize access to malware. A survey by the Institute of Capital Market Research revealed that more than 70% of millennials and Gen Z are likely to invest in options that also promote sustainability. While many investors have good intentions, they may lack knowledge about sustainable investments like environmental, social and corporate governance or sustainable and responsible investment funds, which we in the capital markets industry may be used to. As such, financial planners must increase their understanding and develop their capabilities in this area, said Securities Commission Malaysia Chairman Datuk Sri Dr. Awang Adek Husin. To facilitate this, the SC and the Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia will issue a comprehensive guide to assist planners and consultants in navigating the complexities of SRI funds. This guide aims to ensure that SRI considerations become a routine component of financial advice. Malaysia is considering full tax exemptions on withdrawals from private retirement scheme, PRS, funds for emergency purposes, said Securities Commission Malaysia Chairman Datuk Sri Awang Adek Husin. He said private retirement schemes play a crucial role in supplementing the public mandatory retirement scheme and in offering long-term savings flexibility. However, there is a need to adapt the PRS framework to address long-term structural trends, including an aging population, digitalization, and the changing nature of work, to better cater to local retirement savings needs, he said. Another measure being considered has to do with improving the process for members to switch funds and providers. Awang Adek said the SC and Private Pension Administrator Malaysia will work with PRS providers to develop a digital process, enabling members to switch across funds more seamlessly. FIMM will be at the Bersama InvestSmart exhibition to answer your questions about unit trust and private retirement schemes. We look forward to seeing you at the event, which will provide a great opportunity to learn about investing in the capital market wisely and avoid falling victim to scams. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.